Hey guys! So, my grandma was watching me build my building this summer, and she saw that I was using all of Dad's tools. So, she knew I wanted some of my own tools. So, she got me some pretty cool tools. These are Ryobi. I really like these Ryobi tools. My dad has them, and I like them very much. They have over 175 tools. They're battery, which is really nice, instead of corded stuff. And this is a brushless circular saw here. 7¼ inch blade. Really nice. It's super sharp, cuts through boards really easy. And then I have this Ryobi drill. It's very nice. It's the new style. It came in a combo kit. I had a drill plus an impact with 2 batteries, and it's a 2 amp battery. It has a light even. That's really nice. And something I forgot to mention is that this is brushless, and brushless tools are more powerful, and they're kind of quiet, and they're nice. And they last like a third anyway, longer runtime. And then she also got me this nice 90-piece bit kit. It comes with many selections of spade bits, hole saw bits, metal bits, masonry bits, a couple wood bits, some regular bits, and extended bits. But I also got an oscillating tool and a radio from her. But here's my hammer. This is a 20-ounce Husky hammer. It's brand new. It has a nail starter, and this is a metal, nice strong hammer. So, early Christmas present. And then I'm going to be using. So, now that I have all my tools for my grandma, I decided I wanted to make her a gift, but I couldn't think of what. When we went over to her house the other day, we had lunch, and she was looking in different cupboards for spices, and there's spices all over the place. She has a lot of spices, and she didn't have them organized or nowhere to put them. So, my idea was to make her a spice rack. Here are my plans. It's going to be 18 inches wide, 16 inches high, and the reason for this is it'll fit between the countertop and the bottom of the cabinet, so I can place it right against the wall. And it's going to have 3 shelves with these dowel rods, and they're going to be, here's the side here, they're going to be here so that when you have your spices, it won't fall out, which is nice. Alright, so all my lumber here is all lumber that I've already had. I didn't have to pay nothing for this. My dad had these dowel rods. He bought these brand new for a project, but he didn't use them, so I'm going to use them for the spice rack. I already pre-cut all my lumber to my correct dimensions, so it's shorter time period. And I've got them all marked out. So now I have to assemble it. Alright, it's assembly time. Something I forgot to mention, I've already pre-drilled and marked where my nails are going to go and how my boards are going to be. But here are my 2 sides. I'm resting on the back right now. I'll cut that after I assemble this. And here's my shelf. This is the bottom right. So it's going to be down here. Just trying to get this lined up. This is my top right. And it's going to be like this. Alright, so here's my side. As you can see, pre-drilled with the smallest little tiny bit I could find. And here's my nail. This is a galvanized ring shank nail, and it has a little small head. This probably isn't the right nail, but I wanted to use my hammer, and this way I can use it. Alright, I've started all my nails in my sideboard. Now I'm connecting it to my shelves. guys, I'm gonna use a little Gorilla wood glue here, and I'm gonna put them in my holes where my rods are gonna go. I have a nice flat surface under here, so I know when these are fully down and flush. I'm just gonna tap them with a hammer. Alright, I glued the bottom dowels and cleaned up all the glue. Now I'm doing the top. I glued the top around the sides a little bit. Now I'm just fitting this on and then I can nail it. Alright, here it is. I got a little bit of sanding to do and I'm gonna word burn it. Now I'm cutting the back out. Alright, now it's time for wood burning. Alright, wood burning will preserve the wood, and it looks pretty cool. You can see the green, and this gives it a nice, neat. Alright, the spice rack's done. I really like it. It turned out great. Anybody can build this. You could even use hand tools. All I used was a saw, a hammer, and a drill. I didn't have any money in it. It was low budget, and I think my grandma's going to be very happy. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Please subscribe if you'd like.